What's up, guys? JD Candy Shop Customs, just out in the shop picking away at the SquareBody again. So right now where we're at is we have the rear harness run. We have left and right branches kind of split. Again, similar to the front, I'm gonna have to rework where the splice points in that are because we changed the routing, and we have, for example, this wire here is the feed for the reverse light, or not reverse light, for the license plate light. So to put the splice at the middle for the wire for the license plate light, I have this big loop. So rather than just bunch that up in the harness, I'm going to take that extra length out and then just shorten my wire right there. We have our runs, so we have our backup, we have our turn signal, we have our park and brake lights over here. Gonna have to add our socket, so we got our backup and turn signal, park light, brake combo, and our marker lights. So those three I gotta wire in, and then I gotta do a little ground harness for the left, do the same thing on the right. One thing I do wanna do, I said do, is I wanna actually use the original connector for the taillight harness. Looks in pretty good shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie in the feeds on both ends of this so that when it's time to remove the bed, we can just undo one connector and then that splits the whole thing. So I'm going to wire in the rear chassis harness into the factory one, use that factory connector, and then the rest to and from other than the connector will all be brand new harness. So let's see how it goes. Alrighty, I think we're done for the day. Let me show you what we did. Let's flip the camera. Oh, there's Blue again. Okay, so we added this is the brake signal, this is our reverse, and then that's the marker park light. We got our ground here. I'm not gonna exactly put it where it's gonna go. We'll need the taillight housing, and I don't know if Sean's gonna paint and body work this or what. So I'll just leave that for now. All that has to be done is the ground hooked up. Everything's wrapped in Tessa tape. There is our factory plug, so that if you want to pull the bed off this thing, you just undo the plug, and then that can go with the box or the bed. And I didn't permanently mount the harness in the rail just yet. I just have these clamps. This is our license plate light, ready to go to the bumper or whatever we need to do with that. And then here's our other side. So same thing, we got our ground, that'll probably go in here somewhere. We'll make a nice metal, bare metal ground, so everything's ready. Now, what we still have left to do back here is this chunk of the harness. So this is going to go to our fuel pump and our level sensor, and we also have to tie in our pressure switch, and we have to wire up our backup auxiliary compressor here. So still a bit more out back, but the taillight harness itself is done like dinner. And that's it, that's all for today. Let's get the flock out of here.